Students, welcome to chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss about p block elements. The subtopic is preparation of ammonia and properties of ammonia and chemical properties of ammonia. Okay, first of all we want to discuss about preparation of ammonia. First, the hydrolysis of urea. The formula for urea NH2CO NH2 plus water gives what? 2 moles of ammonia plus carbon dioxide. How? H2O. Here 1 mole of ammonia, another mole of ammonia, CO2. Okay, 2 moles of ammonia and carbon dioxide. This formation is very important preparation. Next, heating an ammonium salts with base. Here 2 moles of ammonium plus 2 moles of OH minus gives what? Here 2 moles of ammonia plus 2 moles of water. Next, heating of metal hydrides. Okay, the 2 moles of NH4Cl plus CaO, calcium oxide. Calcium treated with chlorine, calcium chloride, CaCl2 plus and 2 moles of ammonia plus water. Next one, heating and metal hydrides with water. Formula Mg3N2 plus 6 moles of H2O gives what? M3MgOH twice plus and 2 moles of ammonia obtained. Yes. Next, preparation of ammonia by laboratory method. Here 2 moles nitrogen, 1 mole of nitrogen is treated with 3 moles of hydrogen in the presence of ion and slightly added K2O potassium oxide or alumina Al2O3 aluminum oxide to give what? 2 moles of ammonia. Okay, these are the best example preparation of ammonia. Very important. 2 more questions and 3 more questions. Now next, properties of ammonia. The ammonia has irritating smell or pungent smell. Pungent means irritating. Pungent smell or irritating smell. Liquid ammonia at 9 atmospheric pressure. Liquid ammonia boils at minus 38.4 degrees Celsius. Liquid ammonia freezes at minus 77 degrees Celsius. Liquid ammonia always resembles water in physical properties. It is formation of strong hydrogen bond to another molecules. Strong hydrogen bond. Okay. Now dielectric constant of ammonia is that NH4 plus OH minus to give what? Now 2 moles of ammonia. 2 moles of ammonia plus 2 moles of ammonia NH3 plus and NH2 minus dielectric constant is resembles with water. 2 moles of H2O gives what? H3O plus and OH minus. K here is a dielectric constant. Here also dielectric constant is both are same 10 to the power of -30 and -30. Okay, both are same value for hydrogen and liquid ammonia. Next one, chemical properties of ammonia. First one, ammonia undergoes decomposition at 500 above 500 degrees Celsius to give nitrogen and hydrogen gas evolved. Another one, 4 moles of ammonia undergoes oxidation reaction to give nitrogen gas and 6 moles of water. Ostwald process. Next one, Ostwald process. 4 moles of ammonia treated with oxygen, 5 moles of oxygen to give nitric oxide. Nitric oxide and 6 moles of water. Reducing property, very important for 3 mark question. Reducing properties of ammonia. Write down the or give the evidence for the reducing property of ammonia. Lead oxide, metallic oxide, especially metallic oxide. Here example, lead oxide treated with ammonia to give lead converted into metal oxide, converted into metal, means lead oxide treated with ammonia to give lead and nitrogen gas evolved with water. Okay, is very important one. The reducing properties of ammonia. Here metal oxide, ammonia is converted into metal with nitrogen gas evolved. Nitrogen gas evolved. Another one, the reaction with chlorine. Ammonia treated with chlorine. Ammonia treated with chlorine, 3 moles of chlorine to give nitrogen gas and 6 moles of hydrogen chloride. Again, hydrogen chloride treated with ammonia to give ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. Chloride. And excess of chlorine, the ammonia is treated with chlorine, excess chlorine to give nitrogen trichloride. Nitrogen trichloride is a example for explosive substance and 6 moles of HCl. Another one, and ammonia treated with 2 moles of HCl to give ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. Amide formation. Sodium treated with ammonia to give sodamide and hydrogen gas. Magnesium treated with ammonia to give magnesium nitride. Magnesium nitride and hydrogen gas evolved. Metallic salt is a best example for the evidence of metallic salts. For example, ferric ion, Fe3 plus is a ferric, is treated with ammonium hydroxide solution to give FeOH thrice, ferric hydroxide and ammonium ion dissolved. Similarly, Cu2 plus ion is treated with ammonia to give copper tetramine. Copper 2 plus ion is formed, is deep blue color is obtained. Deep blue color is obtained. Okay, is a very important for the evidence for ferric ion and copper 2 plus ion. Next students, here structure of ammonia. Structure of ammonia. Ammonia has one nitrogen as outermost configuration 2s2 2p3 configuration. 2s2 2p3 configuration. Here one nitrogen, here one nitrogen, another nitrogen is 2s2 2p3. So net result sp3 hybridization. Okay, the central metal nitrogen, central atom is a nitrogen, is surrounded by 3 hydrogen atom with 1 lone pair of electron. The lone pair of electron does not involve with bonding. So here nitrogen and hydrogen bond between 1.016 Armstrong knot and hydrogen bond distance 1.640 Armstrong nut. The bond length is bond angle is 107 degree. Net result here sp3 hybridization, bond angle is 107, is structure of ammonia is totally with lone pair tetrahedral, without lone pair pyramidal shape, pyramidal shape, with lone pair tetrahedral. Okay students, are you understand? We will meet next class with another topic. Thank you so much.